This message is for Governor Sanwo of Lagos. Governor, it never do you. The demolition of Igbo property never do you. It still remain. It still remain where you go demolish. I hear say demolition start again. It will never pay you finish. You know say, or you believe say, they no vote for you. Despite say you go Ebukobi place to campaign, believe say they no vote for you. Be like say you no truly win. Na GRV, maybe na GRV win the election. So the thing they pay you well. Even though say you know how to, now on a sabi. But as you they behave, you be like say you know win the election. Be like say this thing don't pay you well. Even though you still the office, say you get the kind something will go happen. Confidence go there in you. It be like say the confidence no day. Say maybe you know win. And to you, revenge not to destroy Igbo properties. This one are really misplaced priority. You don't live waiting you're supposed to do. Yes, so you don't live waiting you're supposed to do. They do another one. Make I tell you something. If you destroy Igbo property, you no add any revenue to Lagos. The only thing we go do be say, people go begin to get sense. Some of our Igbos go begin to get sense. Then go no say they no go to buy land. Shebi your people go take back the land, abi? Now as you go take pay your people. But some of our people go begin get sense. Because they go back. And it go make other Nigerians to be wise. Say, Lagos no be better place to invest. Because, be like say these people, they do something like, if you buy something from their place, then go use backdoor Caesar. So, this is one that they do, not be only Igbo, it go affect. And not be only, when other Nigerians begin to cook for now. Because, not be only Igbos invest for Lagos, even though, if it be like say, now they invest pass. So, make they do what they do. Other Nigerians and other people are seeing. Then they believe say, as he touch one hand, they go touch the other. Governor, I want to tell you, say, he get other things where he's supposed to they do. And like Aisha Yusuf don't advise una. Una anger, where una supposed channel them, now to custom agents and other institutions where they deny government money where supposed to reach a hand. Now they una supposed channel una anger. No be to go seize house where properties where people don't get. Where then they use as means of making money. Some na salary they use buy those property. Some hard earned money. No being go help the government. Not to go after those custom agents where they take money where supposed belong to state. When I hear what thing just happened, EFCC traced 1.1 billion naira to a custom officer where they Kaduna. Now Lagos supposed get that money. But he enter custom officer. Una supposed to work on closing the gaps, those loopholes, where then they take steal government money, but your own focus. Now, they no vote for you for election. Your own focus now, you must bring these people down. You cannot bring us down. You can never bring us down. Igbo is not one person. It's an ethnicity. But I am thanking God you are making our people wise to make them think home. That's what you are doing will at least lead them to. You can't bring them down. They'll begin to think home. They will cut down on investment in Lagos. I hear of something like we accommodated you accommodated Igbos, and that is why other Nigerians should be saying we accommodated Igbos as well. Other Nigerians should be saying we accommodated Igbo as well, because Igbos are in everywhere, they are doing well. It is not because they are in Yoruba and that they are doing well. The Igbos in the north are doing well as well. Doing very well. Anywhere they are doing well. In fact, while I was in Jos, I thought Igbos are only in Jos. When I went to Abuja, I thought Igbos are, they are also in Abuja. When I went to Lagos, I saw them everywhere. Now, you talk about, I'm talking about Lagosians or Yorubas in general. We are accommodated. If you don't accommodate people, they will desert your place. Make I advise you, if you begin to change your mind, now you sabi, but if you don't accommodate people, they will desert your place. And these things we they do for Lagos, now honor ego touch. Because every event, every happening, every scenario is a lesson for the witness and other people who hears about it. Everything that transpires is a lesson for everybody who hears about it. Go and think about it. I want a food for thought for now. You know, care, after 4 years you go. You don't do your 2 term. But what you are doing has a future implication in that state. Make I live here.